Video we have discussed about fundamental quantity and supplementary quantity. In this we are going to discuss about derived physical quantity. So the derived physical quantity means it depends on the fundamental quantities. Depends on fundamental quantities. So here fundamental quantities means 7 quantities are there. So these derived quantities will depend on the 7 physical fundamental quantities. So we know that alphabets are A to Z, that is 26 letters are there, and we will frame the words and sentences from this A to Z. Suppose if we are going to have the derived DERIVED. These are the letters individually. These are the letters which are derived from the 26 letters. In the same ways, the derived quantities are also derived from the 7 physical fundamental quantities. So let's see speed. So speed is equals to distance by time. Distance by time. So we are saying that speed is equals to distance by time. Here distance gives us meters or kilometers. How much kilometers traveled, how many meters or how much kilometers are traveled, and here time gives us the seconds. Okay, already we have discussed in the fundamental quantities, meters means it is the length and it is the time. So without having this length and time, we cannot calculate the speed. And even velocity is also displacement by time. Displacement by time. For acceleration is also velocity by time. So for all this, for all the definitions, or not only for this one, like force, pressure, density is equals to mass by volume. So for all these, we need the fundamental quantities. From the fundamental quantities only we are going to derive the number of derived quantities. We have 7 fundamental quantities fixed. Fundamental quantities are always 7 and supplementary quantities are always 2. But coming to the derived quantities, we can derive number of physical quantities. We can derive number of physical quantities, and for fundamental physical quantities, for the 7 we are going to have meters for length, kg or grams for mass, seconds for time. So we are having the unit as a single, but coming to here we are going to have the speed is equals to distance by time. Distance by time. Here distance means measured in meters and time is measured in seconds. We can write the speed. Unit of speed is equals to meters per seconds, that is m by s. Or you can write this meter per second as, if this s comes to up, ms power minus 1. So derived quantities are number of quantities. We can derive as many as physical quantities.